A new time has come. A new time has come. A new time has come. Today is the day that I start to live anew. Pressures of past days, I'm just gonna wipe away from my mind. Don't you know we do it all the time? Together we can change our minds at any time. Anytime, anytime. A new time has come where we need to be one. Hey peeps, yeah, it's me, the Academic Gem. A new time has come indeed. We are coming into this new moon in Taurus, happening at 21 degrees. Find out where Taurus 21 degrees is in your chart. It will be happening around the 11th, 12th of May, wherever you are on the planet, 2021. Yay, so how's it been? How's it been? We have our beautiful sign of Taurus there with the little love bubble. Yes, people, so what does Taurus bring? Taurus is an earth sign, the first of the earth sign. It's when spring is at its brightest and most vibrant. It brings with it song and pleasure, indulgence, meeting together, working hard, seen as a solid earth sign. Yes, and ruled by the planet Venus. So right now, having a few earth eruptions, we think about people around the world who are having disruptions in their life right now. And I think we need to be getting used to this, as we know that Uranus is in Taurus for the next 6 years, and that will be bringing a lot of earth changes in order to push earth forward in a different direction, a more equal direction, a more group direction. So it's an abundant earth sign, and so Venus rules Taurus, and we had a few planets in Taurus. We still got Venus in Taurus right now. We had Mercury in Taurus last week. It's now jumped into Gemini, coming up with the North nodes. So this new moon can bring a little bit of overindulgence. As we know, many bulls work hard and play equally as well. They love luxurious items, living as best as they can. Libra too is ruled for its qualities that are ruled by Venus, kindness, talking to other people, being interested in how their lives are going. Yeah, their actions are more outward or masculine, while Taurus is the feminine and inward version of Venus. Taurus likes to focus on long-term goals, plans, and ways of getting there. Taurus likes to take its time, seen as the slowest of all the signs. It takes time to think, and it takes time for things to grow also, and plans to grow. You have to water, replenish, feed them well, and we have to replenish our bodies and treat them as well as we can. So whether we drink champagne or water, balance is the key for this beautiful new moon we will be having in Taurus. Yes, indeed. Happy birthday, Taurians, all those who had their birthdays already and those yet to come. Indeed. So right now, we have the sun in Taurus, the moon is in Aries, Mercury in Gemini, and Venus is in Taurus. Also Uranus and Ceres in Taurus, with Black Moon Lilith. So it's quite a crowd right now. They're giving us information when this new moon happens. See where these planets are in your chart. Okay, so Taurus, greenery abounds all around you. Good time to get out and about and to live life fully, literally. Indeed, indeed. So I drew some cards for the signs. I'm going to shake my little love bubble. There we go, keep that going. Okay, so the cards for all of us for this beautiful full moon in Taurus, that will bring us pleasures, see where we are with our finances, see where we are with our friendships, our goals, our long-term plans, even short-term plans. And it's funny how we pulled out the Fool for this new moon in Taurus. So don't be afraid to have new innovations come to you. Might not make the greatest of sense, but we also have Neptune very close to this new moon. We also have Jupiter very close. Okay, so be adventurous, this new moon there. And also the Nine of Cups came out. Wasn't I speaking about indulgence and overindulgence and how we are going to be gifted with this energy all around us? Indeed, indeed. So for the earth signs, which are Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, we had the Five of Swords in reverse. Yes, you're done with all that fighting and, oh, who's got time for that? Too many seeds to water and plant. Yes, including ourselves. So, well done. There, earth signs. And for the fire signs, we got the Eight of Pentacles. So this is a working time. Taurus is a very working sign. It's an earth sign, sign of the bull, the ox that pulls. You'll be looking at your finances, how they are lining up for you. As for you fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. That's right. And then we had the water signs, which were Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. And you had the Eight of Cups, maybe some illusions around. These around you at this Taurus new moon as you're making grounded plans or thinking which cup to choose from, to drink from. Seven of Cups there for you, water signs. And along with that came the Ten of Swords. So there's going to be an ending at some point and a new beginning with the beautiful, beautiful Taurus new moons as you water signs. And for the air signs, which are Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, we have the Justice card. So some justifiable actions will be renewed at this time. And you will see the answers that you are seeking or new ways of going forward practically. As for you air signs, you also had the Six of Cups. So you'll be very charitable. People will be charitable to you at this time. And much gratitude indeed. So thank you people for tuning in to this beautiful new moon in Taurus. Hope you have a great time wherever you are on the planet. So it'll be happening in the next few days. Try and have some music about, etc., etc. And so I'll play us out with my new time.
A new time has come.
Song that came to me
A new time has come.
around about 2000. Indeed.
Today is the day that I start to live anew.